All right, so what you're seeing right here is my 2024 Silverado ZR2. I put these big old 35-inch mud grapplers on there, and due to that, I had a limited turning radius because the tires were rubbing against the front bumper. So I designed this bumper spacer kit to space the front bumper out, and the rest of this video is going to be showing that process. Just a quick update. I'm taking the front bumper off my ZR2 in hopes of spacing it out. I'm actually thinking about 3D printing my own custom bumper spacer so that I can later have it made out of sheet metal. So this is just the first update of the progress. I got all the front off. I got most of the bolts holding the bumper on off. Just got a little bit more to do, and then I'll be able to get this bumper off. All right, so right here, I finally got the bumper off. I'm having to overlay this because that audio messed up, but it's probably a good thing because I was breathing hard from lifting the bumper. All right, back to the same clip. I just want to point out those two brackets that you see with 3 bolts each on both sides. That's what I'm going to remove and put the spacers behind. And this is what it looks like once you remove the bracket. All right, so this is just showing me designing the spacers on my iPad. All right, so I got the designs completed, and I went ahead and 3D printed them out of nylon with carbon fiber infused in it. All right, for now, just for the time being, I'm going to install the 3D printed prototypes onto my truck, but I will be having these parts made from steel. Also, I know you only see one of the brackets here, but I had to print another one of these. I have one for both passenger and driver sides. Right here, you're going to want to try to line it up with the position of the old scars on there, so you can get it aligned, and you want to do the same for the other side. All right, so right here, I'm just showing where I got one of the spacers installed at. It's pretty easy to get it on, so you're just going to have to install it like this on both sides. This side doesn't have it. The right side did, but the left side didn't. As you can see, the left side one is still in my hand. Also on the bumper, you also have these corner brackets inside the bumper. I had to make some small spacers for these as well, just to make sure everything is going to line back up when I put it together. One is for this side, and one is for the other side. That spacer is going to go right here. And it's going to space this bracket back because these holes have to line up with the frame, these 2 square holes. And that smaller spacer was to make sure these holes right here line up. When you get back to this part, you might have to have a second person get in front of the bumper and kind of push it back on these corners to get it lined up. All right, got the bumper back on. You can probably tell by looking right there that it is now spaced out 1/2 inch. So just about done. Now I just need to put the grill back on, which isn't too bad at all. All right, so right here, the truck is all the way back together, and I'm just showing you how it looks with the bumper spaced out in 1/2 inch. I will try to have these available in different thicknesses, so if you want to space yours out a shorter distance, that will be possible. All right, it doesn't come across on video pretty well, but that wheel is kind of cut pretty deep, and I do still have a little bit of clearance, so it was successful in giving me a better turning radius. All right, pretty soon I will have this kit complete and made from steel. If you would like to purchase it, you can look it up on my website, magnoliaadvanceddesigns.com. On that website, I also have other products for GM trucks, knob covers for the Sierras, and I also have these custom wireless charging inserts I made, and a few other small things like screen protectors and badges. So thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for future updates and new products I will have available.